Hi everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing of the Google Pixel Watch. After removing the box cover, the first thing we see is the beautiful Google Pixel Watch. The watch has a circular face and a curved glass display. On the side, there is a digital crown and a flat side button. The wireless charger with a USB-C cord is placed below the watch. Remember to check above the charger, there is a smaller size watch band included. User manual and warranty information are placed near the bottom. I do think the Google Pixel Watch is probably the best looking smartwatch for now. The design is simple and elegant. The build quality is pretty good, but I do notice it's very easy to get dust into the small gap between the glass and the case. Once the watch is turned on, I see a Bluetooth pairing request on my Android smartphone right away. The Google Fast Pair feature does work very well. On the back are the sensors. So far I have seen it detects step count, heart rate, and exercise mode. To do ECG, a Fitbit account and smartphone app installation is required. It's very easy to replace the watch band. Just press down the button near the watch band and slide it out. To install a watch band, just use the band to push the button down and slide it into the lock position. Google Pixel Watch comes with Wear OS 3.5 pre-installed. If we tap on the crown, it will bring us to the app list. Rotate the crown or use finger to swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through items. On the main page, swipe up to see notification and swipe down to see quick actions. Swipe left or right to check tiles. Double press on the crown to go to Google Wallet. Single press the crown anytime will go to home screen. Press the side button will go to the recent app list, and hold it down will launch Google Assistant. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday, October 26th.
Double tap the side button will launch the last app used. Now we will go through some of the pre-installed watch faces. I use the utility and index watch face most often. It's because these two watch faces display more information than others. Of course, it's also very easy to go to Play Store and install the watch face you like. To customize the watch face, we press and hold on the main page. The customization choices are different on each watch face. Usually, we have the choice to change color and layout. Under layout, we can usually choose what information module we want to use on the watch face. Some watch face offer the option to show time in bold or show seconds. That will be our quick walkthrough for Wear OS 3.5 and Google Pixel Watch this time. Please remember to support my channel by subscribing. Thank you for the support, and I will see you next time.